Hello and welcome back to our Learn Lua course on Codecademy. We're in the Introduction to Lua section. This lesson is print. We learned how to output a line of text with the following code. Print, and then what we want to print within parentheses, within quotes. This print statement will output these emojis. We can also output multiple lines by adding more print statements. Here we have the print statement hello and goodbye, and we do get outputted hello and then goodbye on an additional line. Notice how the order of the printed statement matches the order of our code. That's because Lua code is read from top to bottom. Now let's use what we learned so far to complete a coding challenge. Our instructions say 1. Instead of displaying those lines in the code editor, edit the code so that we output the following pattern in the terminal. Exactly how it is. Remember, you can use the hint if you need help. So what we want to do here is, instead of printing hello, we would print, how many numbers is this? Let's look at the hint. This checkpoint requires some trial and error. Things to remember. Multiple print statements can be used to output multiple lines. The spacing between numbers can be printed using space. Code runs line by line from top to bottom. So let's try clicking. Well, nothing happened when I clicked details, but that's alright. I think I know enough now to where, let me zoom out. We would go into our print here and do the spaces necessary, right, to get this here. So let's see how many numbers I would take. This took one character, 2 characters, 3 characters, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So 8 altogether when you get to the bottom. So here we would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So then after 7, it's 8. We could then go into the next line and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we would do the number 3. And we have a space here, so we would do the number 2. Alright, so let's continue. We could copy, print, and we want 4, 5, 6, so 6, 5, and then 4. Alright, so then we could paste it again, and we would do the last one, which would be, okay, I think I did something wrong here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, yeah, so I think we need an 8 down here. Let me do, maybe it's like this, like this. Sorry, I'm just trying to get this. The last one I'm guessing would be like 7, 8, 9, 1, 0. Let's try this, see if it works. Run it. Hey, we did a pass. And we do get 1, 2, 3, 1 through 10 printed out on the console. And we can see just, it was kind of confusing at first, but I could see how I made that happen. Just utilizing spaces, right? We're able to print these, this row 1 through 10, using multiple print statements, and it worked. Okay, so that completes this lesson. I think they're just trying to kind of introduce you to the print statement in Lua. Not the most interesting lesson, but here at least we're learning we are able to print out to the terminal. So when the main.lua file is run, we get this printed to the terminal. If you understand that, you're getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.